At the mini roundabout, we'll be turning to the right. I've identified the roundabout by this road sign, and normally where the sign is placed, that's the entrance of the roundabout. On approach to the mini roundabout, I'll check my center, right door mirror, signal to the right, and regardless of the direction that we're going, left, straight or right, but on this occasion we're turning right, we'd normally position in the middle of our lane. This will make it easier for us to drive around the roundabout. Now I'd normally say when we approach the mini roundabout to turn right, we need to reduce our speed to around 5 miles per hour or less. This will allow us to keep control and steer around the roundabout. And as always, we give way to any traffic coming from our right, and if it's safe, we can keep the car moving. Let's not forget to check all our mirrors, center, right door and left door.